Hey everyone, pork or beef, which is better for your heart? Today, we're diving into the pros, cons, and the best choice for heart health in under 3 minutes. Let's get started. Both pork and beef are packed with protein and nutrients, but they've got differences. Pork, especially lean cuts like tenderloin, often has less saturated fat, a big factor for heart health. Beef, like a juicy ribeye, can be higher in saturated fat but packs more iron and B12. The catch, fatty cuts and processed meats, like bacon or sausages from either, can raise cholesterol and heart disease risk. For heart disease, saturated fat is the enemy. Let's compare. Lean cuts pork tenderloin has about 1 gram of saturated fat per 3-ounce serving, while lean beef sirloin has around 2 to 3 grams. That makes pork tenderloin the winner for heart health. Both can fit a heart-healthy diet if you stick to lean cuts, trim visible fat, and avoid frying, and skip processed meats entirely. They're loaded with sodium and preservatives that hurt your heart. Pork's pros: it's lean, affordable, and super versatile for stir fries or roasts. Cons: processed pork like bacon is a no-go. Beef's pros: amazing flavor and higher iron for energy. Fattier cuts like ribeye can tip the scales on cholesterol. Pro tip: pair either with veggies and whole grains for a heart-smart meal. So pork tenderloin takes the crown for heart health, but lean beef sirloin is a close second if eaten sparingly. Which do you prefer, pork or beef? Drop it in the comments and share your favorite healthy recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more health tips. See you next time.